Before AI, the world moved slower. People searched, not just online, but in books, conversations, silence. Mistakes took time. Ideas took time. Success was earned. Artists painted for months. Writers rewrote sentences. Engineers failed again and again until something finally worked. It wasn't perfect, but it was human. Then came AI. Quiet at first, hidden in search engines and recommendations. Then suddenly it was everywhere, writing, designing, coding, thinking, learning faster than any human. AI didn't just assist, it replaced. Tasks done in seconds, decisions handled by algorithms. The world accelerated. People stopped creating, started prompting, stopped learning deeply, started relying instantly. Knowledge became easier to access, harder to own. Yet AI saved lives, diagnosed diseases, predicted disasters, connected the world. Power reached those who never had it. But power is never neutral. Jobs disappeared, truth blurred, deep fakes, automation, surveillance, control shifting silently. Now we stand, not in a world without AI, not fully in control either. The real question isn't whether AI is good or bad, it's who decides how it's used. AI doesn't replace humanity, it reveals it. What we build depends on who we choose to be.